Okay guys, it's your boy Sammy Crown, and today I'll be teaching you how to create the glass morphism effect on using your PixelLab. It's very easy. Just have to follow the step to step as we go on. This is your PixelLab. These are your PixelLab looks like. So if we are working or you're creating this particular content or whatever content you want to create or design you want to create, most time you have to have your size, the size of the design you want to work around with. So but right now, okay, okay, now we'll be working on this particular image, 760 1030. Okay, we are working with this image. So here we might be creating our image size 760 by 736 by 1030, 736 by 1030. Yeah, you can have your sizes as it varies. You can try to create your sizes, but I'm working with this size. Okay, this is the size. This is how it's going to look like. So now the next thing is to import that image. The next thing is to import the image. We'll just try to, okay, now we have the image. Yeah, we have the image here. So we have the image now. So the next thing is to, because of our limitation using PixelLab, so there might be some things that ordinarily some software already have them, but because of the limitation with PixelLab, so like now we need another surface, another layer of this same image that should be blurry, but we might not be able to create that using PixelLab. So we might be using a website to actually create that. So we'll be going to a website. Yeah, there are so many websites you can use to actually achieve that on using your browser online. So but based on mine, I'll be using Lunapic Blur. So yeah, and then all I just have to do is to upload the same image. This same image, upload. Then I have the image, so it's blur like this. So all I just still have to do is to, maybe it's not blur enough, I can, yeah, okay, now as you can see, then the next thing is to apply. Then it becomes permanent. Then after this, all you just have to do, you can see something downward like save to, then you save to your device. So you already have it on your device now. So the next thing is to go back to your PixelLab. So you come to your PixelLab and then upload the blur surface also. Okay, now you have the blur surface. Now the next thing is to go back to your layer surface, then put the blur. You have to put the blur surface, the blur layer underneath the strong one, something like this. Okay, now something like this. Now you have the sharp one upward, then the blur surface downward. So the next thing is for you to actually, you can try to block that or lock the surface there and then come back. Then you have to create your shape. The next thing is to create our shape, the shape of the glass you want. Yeah, the shape of the glass you want. Now this is the shape that I want. Then I just want to blur the radius. Okay, I want it to look like this. And the next thing is you have to select a color that you might not find on this surface. You need a color that is not on this surface, so I'll be choosing blue. I'll be choosing blue. Okay, blue. I'll be choosing blue. So now you are good to go on this particular piece. Then the next thing is to go back to your layer and then lock the two surface together. You're going to merge these two, the sharp surface and the you are going to lock the two together, and after locking them you merge them together just like this. Yeah, so after merging them together, then the next thing is to go to your erase color. Then you are erasing this blue color away. You are erasing the blue. All you just have to do is to touch the surface, then you have it now. Now you have your glass morphism the way you see it. Voila, so you have your glass morphism already. So now the next thing, the tolerance, you can see. So the tolerance and the smooth edges. Okay, as you can see, now you have it. So the next thing is to just create your, we don't stop at this, so we try to make it more you want to create more effects to make it more real, to bring out the reality of aspect of it. So you go to the shadow and then enable the shadow. As you can see, then you go to the white. Now you have this. So the next thing is to the blur radius. You can take it a bit downward or so, and then the offset is just to offset X. Now to make it one more sided, and then the other one is to bring it down, so I like from the down. So you might increase the blur. Okay, the way we have it, and now also, yep, now just like the way we have it here now. So already we have our glass morphism, so we allow. Then the one beautiful thing is that but we want to make it more real. So the next thing here I'm going to do is to add another shape. Yes, but the beautiful thing about this particular one is that you might not need to go through all what you did the first time to actually create this. So all you just have to do now is to accept, then go to your layer, then bring, you have two options of bringing this actual guy to the middle here. So when you bring it down, it's going to, you see that it's already changed the shape itself. So after changing this shape, you have two option of bringing items like this up. So you can either come to your surface here by putting to back, to front, to back, to front, to front, to front or to back. So you have two options like that. Okay, now after this, then you go to your opacity. So as you can see, you can reduce the opacity to like this. Now the beautiful aspect of this is that why we try to add this one is because now you can go to the color and you can change the color however you want, or maybe you want to change the color to to whatever, just to suit what you want to do with it. So ordinarily we already have our glass morphism. So as you all see, then the next thing you can actually add okay, already have this, and then text, let's go to font. I'm just trying to show you this, and we already achieved the glass morphism. So okay, all right, so this is what we need and this is what we need to do. So with this you can add whatever you want to do with it, but this is how you create your glass morphism using PixelLab. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel, and also like and comment on this video. Thank you very much.